डू यू नो सेम सिचुएशन किसी के लिए ब्लेसिंग बन सकती है या तो फिर किसी के लिए कर्स भी बन सकती है. इट इज नॉट अबाउट व्हाट सिचुएशन ऑफर्स, इट इज ऑल अबाउट हाउ you choose to see it. Yes, it is all about perspective through which we are seeing the world. Let me share very simple but very profound thing from my own life. थोड़े टाइम पहले हम लोग एक प्लॉट देखने के लिए गए थे विथ माई फैमिली एंड आई सॉ द प्लॉट. आजू बाजू में जंगल एरिया, खेत एरिया, बहुत सारे ट्रीज और उसके बीच में लैंड. एंड आई फेल्ट वाओ, इट इज अ पैराडाइज. Whereas my family felt, oh my god, यहाँ आजू बाजू कोई नहीं है, it is very unsafe place. So you see, same place, same soil, same tree, same land, but two different and very opposite perspective. Why? Because we don't see the world as it is, we see the world as we are. Science ने ये prove कर दिया है कि entire world is an energy. We are energy, outside reality is also an energy. So everything is in the energetic form. लेकिन जो ये हमारी सेंसेस है वो ये एनर्जी को ट्रांसलेट करती है एंड वी सी एंड फील द फिजिकल रियलिटी. लेकिन यहाँ पे और एक कैच आता है. वो कैच ये है कि ये एनर्जी को ट्रांसलेट करते टाइम हमारी सेंसेस यूज करती है हमारे बिलीफ पैटर्न्स, हमारे जो वैल्यू सिस्टम है, हमारे जो पास्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस है, एक्सेट्रा. So we don't see reality as it is, we see reality as we are. It is like कि किसी ने ब्राउन ग्लासेस पहने हैं तो उसकी पूरा का पूरा वर्ल्ड ब्राउन ही दिखाई देगा. किसी ने ब्लैक ग्लासेस पहने हैं तो उसको पूरा का पूरा वर्ल्ड ब्लैक ही दिखाई देगा. सो सेम सिचुएशन बट टू डिफरेंट रियलिटी. इसीलिए तो कहते हैं ब्यूटी लाइज इन द आईज ऑफ बिहोल्डर. सो हियर इज अ फॉर्मूला विच हैज हेल्प मी अ लॉट. That is, situation plus response equals to result. I got this formula around 12 years back from my mentor and it is a very very profound formula. Situation को हम change नहीं कर सकते. Situation अभी हमारे साथ हो रही है. If situation is out of our control, we cannot do anything. Then the response that we give to the situation determines what kind of a result we will get. And response is nothing but the perspective through which we look at the situation. Suppose for example हम लोग ट्रैफिक जाम में फंसे हुए हैं तो there are two perspective and two choices which you have. First one is get frustrated, kitna zyada traffic jam hai, I'm getting late and all of that stuff. And second perspective which you can take is, oh, I cannot do anything about this traffic, let me hear the podcast, let me have this opportunity to have some entertainment through music. Okay, so here is a profound story from my own life. वी वेंट टू लोनावला. लोनावला में हम लोगों ने ऑटो रिक्शा की और लोनावला इज ऑब्वियसली अ घाट एरिया. तो रिक्शा वो घाट एरिया में बहुत ज़्यादा स्लो 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 चला रही थी और आई वॉज गेटिंग फ्रस्ट्रेटेड. आई वॉज लुकिंग एट द वॉच कि ये क्या है, कैसे चला रहे हैं, वी आर ऑलरेडी लेट, वी विल बी गेटिंग मोर लेट. एंड आई वॉज गेटिंग फ्रस्ट्रेटेड एंड आई वॉज सफरिंग. And I heard one voice. That voice of was of my husband. वो immediately बोला, wow, we are looking at this amazing beautiful greenery in slow motion. And I got awestruck. Oh my god, this perspective is amazing perspective. And I hold on to that perspective. And वो जो entire journey slow journey था फिर भी बहुत beautiful रहा. It was because I changed my perspective of looking at the situation. So my friend, remember, no situation is inherently good or bad. Every situation has both sides. One is a good side and one is so called not so good side. And which side is getting revealed itself will depend on which perspective you take. If we take empowering perspective, then अच्छी side reveal होने ही वाली है. The situation will bring some benefit or blessing to you. As of now, you may not able to identify कि blessing इसमें से क्या है, लेकिन when you few years down the line, you will look back and realize, wow, this situation was a real blessing for me. So my friends, let's take empowering perspective towards every challenges that life throws us, because every challenge is an opportunity to grow and evolve further spiritually. And remember, when you change your perspective, you don't just see the world differently, you create a different world altogether. Because reality is just an illusion. Reality is created based on what is going inside you. If this message resonated with you, then take a pause today and look at all the challenges which you have to change your perspective. Take a deep breath in and identify what is in it for you, because life is not happening to you, but life is happening for you. And you can do that because you are a walking miracle. And if you are ready to shift your entire inner world, then please subscribe to my channel, Pause with Purvi. This is the space where we create inner harmony, inner alignment, manifest, and create abundance in our life. Bye for now, and see you next time.